Did you know that airplane doors are nearly impossible to open mid-flight due to the cabin's pressurization? This is one reason why airplane doors aren't automatic. Manual operation ensures that trained crew members can control the doors in emergencies, reducing the risk of accidental opening during flight or at inappropriate times. Automatic systems, while convenient, could malfunction, potentially causing catastrophic results in high-pressure scenarios. Furthermore, manual doors are designed with mechanisms that use the aircraft's internal pressure to remain securely sealed during flight, a feature difficult to replicate in fully automated systems. This simplicity and reliability help meet strict aviation safety standards, prioritizing passenger safety over convenience.